look at that. That was a wild guess. Worked out. Alright, well that's exactly what I thought would be under there. Don't worry, one of these days I'll get myself a tripod. I see 2 screws. Alright, cool. There's that. Plastic's broken, but there's one. And hey, these are really good. Just throwing that out there. And there's 2. For that. Thread and pull. Let's see, we'll figure it out. Yeah, these, throw a flathead on there, grab the pocket and pull, and do a half turn and it pop, they unlock. I also figured out you don't have to unscrew those all the way. You just loosen them, and then this has the ability, the pocket slides up and unlatches from both of these bolts up here. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws, and then the rest of it I feel like are just door panel clips. I can see a few. And maybe, oh yeah, lift off a little. I wonder if that's gonna be in the way. Yes. Well, you gotta pull this off to get to those 4 screws. And every piece of plastic on this car has been so brittle that I breathed on it too hard and it broke. So there's that. All right, something else I learned. See those 2 wings on there? You have to do like another half turn to unlock that and pull it out, and then you can get the door panel off. So actually, the only reason why I needed to get the speaker off is just to unplug it. It didn't actually hold the door panel on. It was the top of the armrest. That was the last thing. All right, that's locked, right? The door handle, can I get a good view? It actuates. Can't really get a good view. Can I? You see that? It moves, but just not enough. But if I pull up and then assist it, it opens. So I'm gonna try to adjust that rod right there. See it? If I can adjust that, I think it'll open. All right, with a pair of needle nose pliers, I was able to unhook that spring. It holds it onto this, keeps tension on the rod. See that threaded rod, and there's like that pill-shaped cylinder on it? That's threaded too, so I need to shorten the rod. So I'm gonna spin that pill thing clockwise and take up like 1/4 of an inch and then hook it back up, and I think it'll actually have enough pull to unlatch the door. That's it. I don't know if someone, I don't know why that rod right there, see that pill-shaped thing right there? Right there. I'll put the spring back on, but that needed to just be adjusted. Shorten the rod. Let's see if I can. There's the actuator. That's it. It works. Oh, I was just being lazy. I could have this done freaking a month ago. I feel like an idiot not doing this earlier. You should have seen how I've been getting in this car the last month.